Hi, welcome back to Hostpark C channel and back to the tutorial for C programming. This tutorial exclusive helpful for whoever want to learn C programming and also useful for writing the GATE, university, some of the competitive college level exams also. So we are going to see a topic today called printf and scanf. Why is so much important and how to use the printf scanf statement in the C programming with practical demonstration also. The previous session I explained about the operators, what are the operators and what are the types of operators and some of the simple programs within the operator. I hope that you understand. We saw only the printf. Today we are going to say elaborately. Let us go for session today. So here printf scanf following some of the format or syntax you can say. What are the use of this printf statement? These are the statement or functions used for input and output in C language, and these both functions are called as inbuilt functions or library functions. How do you know? Means these are defined in the category of stdio.h. In the previous sessions I explained about the structure of C program and everything. The first step of the C program what has include stdio.h. The preprocess should be know and understand these functions already. And now printf. What is the use of printf? These are the functions were used for the output. That means it prints the given statement to the console. That's the output screen or console in what? Your monitor. You are the user. Listen carefully. We are the user or you are the user. When you want to display something message on the screen, you can use in the C program you can use the printf statement. In the syntax of printf is what? Printf format string comma argument list. Don't forget. Printf argument strings double quotation with end quotations, otherwise it's a error only. And then example you can say printf. If you want to print the integer numbers int a comma b values, you can give printf %d comma value 1 comma value 2. Like that you can give number of values, number of arguments here. The format string can be how means it may be integer %d, it may be a character %c, it may be a %gs string, or it may be float. So most of the C programs we are using the integer category and these all, but majority of using the integer and float only, majority. So in the previous session I explained about the arithmetic operators and everything where we know the usage of this %d and C also. Suppose if you want to print the size of the character or integer, you can print %s here. Let's go for scanf function. So because once understand these basics only, we can understand and catch the upcoming sessions like control statements and so on. Because scanf is one of the function used for get the input from the user. Who is user means who are they using the C program and utilizing it, there's a user here. And also it reads the input data from the console. Remember, in the keyboard you are typing something. How the computer will read means it with the help of scanf only it will get the input. You can say simply get the input from the user. The format of scanf is what? Our syntax is scanf format string comma argument underscore list. The difference here is example you can say scanf %d open inverted comma close inverted comma and value 1 and value 2. Remember, don't forget. So whenever you and ampersand value 1 and ampersand value 2, it will try to read the value with the help of compiler and preparser. It read the value. You are the user, you giving value. For example, you are giving the program a comma b, you are giving a value 10, b value 10 means it will take it. Otherwise not whenever the execute the program. If you miss the ampersand symbol, what happen? It is error only. And semicolon. All the in the C program, all the statements should be ended with a semicolon. Now let's go for example. Now the simple program, how to print the values. Just I want to print the values only. So I can give data type int a is equal 10, int b is equal 20, or you can give the same line also, no problem. Then printf the value of a is equal to %d, comma the value of b is equal to %d, comma a comma b, as based on the syntax only. So let's go for execution. Execute the program. So either you can use void main or int main. If you use int main, you have to use the return 0. So now C is the mother of programming language, so simple and easy. So if you are a stream of computers and engineering, you should be very strong in the fundamental. If you are strong in the basics, then you can catch the understand technical C and everything also, coding knowledge, improve the coding knowledge. Okay, just I want to print the values of A and B. Yes. This good, yeah. Successfully executed. So it printing the value of A and value of B 20 as given the program. So when you want print this one, you have to give the format specifier with just now seen percentage D. If you want to read the integer value, you give percentage D. If you want to read the float value, you have to print. You can give the float and here percentage F like that. Let's back to PPT here. Now the simple program how to print a cube of a given number. Remember, in the C program you can use multiple numbers here. Okay, multiple numbers can use and A and B and C also in the single statement. So I am starting the program with void main int number, print entire number and scanf percentage D come un number. So this if you want get the input from the user, we need scanf statement and number. Then cube of number is what? Percentage D comma number multiplies number multiplies number. So we can use the cube symbol directly. So we can use properly here. So I am writing number multiplies number multiplies. Suppose we give 2 value, 2 cube what? 2 multiplies 2, 2 multiplies 2, 2 multiplies 3 times. So what happened? It will print the answer 8 like that. And remember here, the scanf, what happened means the statement read integer number from the console and store the given value in the number variable. Remember, the number variable is stored. Then the print of this statement, no, this statement print the cube of number on the console. Now what you want, you are the user, we are going to just enter the number. The number, what are the number we are going to enter? For that numbers we want to display the system have to display the cube value. Let's go for example, execute the program. So simple and easy. So if you want to square, just you can cut one number and try yourself, no issue. Sorry. Just go for online number. So whether you use Turbo C or something, don't forget, try to give the program with .c, any program. You can, whatever the C program typing, any name can give. Any name can give A.B.C, what on that, it should be external of .c here. So just I am going to enter the, I am the user, I am going to give the enter the value of number, I just give 5. So if the program is correct, it display 125. Yeah, successfully executed. So displaying the 125 here. So if you want to square, you can type square and cut one number here. That square means what? Number in number. And try yourself. Just back to PPT. It's a simple example here. Sorry. We conclude with another 2-3 programs. Now the question. Now we are going to see the addition of 2 numbers. The previous sessions we told we already initialized. Now we are the user, we are going to give the input we are going to give the input values, that is A and B value. So if you want to do this, what happen to get the input from the user? So I am writing printf, enter the values A and B and C it will take automatically, that is C is called A plus B same. I am going to write the additional word scanf percentage D and A and B. Now I want to see the result. I am writing addition A, addition is equal to percentage D slash n comma C. What is the use of slash n? That is print the result in the new line. So if you want, you can add 2 numbers, you can do it very simple and easy. So addition of 2 number, I am the user, I am going to give the input in the console here. Just so try to execute. When there is no compilation error, it asks the value of A and B. So I am going to enter the value of A 12. Just I am giving 12 and B value I am giving 13. So it will display 25. Yeah, successfully executed. We are adding only 2 integer numbers. So like that you can use many data types. I am showing the example. As a beginner you should not get confusion here. So back to PPT here, and same program we are using now how to add the 2 float numbers. So if you want to add 2 float numbers, just give float data type, float A comma B comma C and printf, enter the values of A and B same, and here I have to write scanf percentage F followed by percentage F and A and B, and C is equal to A plus B same, addition is equal to percentage F. If you give here F and D, what happen? The compiler will get warning, give the warning and say error only, or else give the wrong answer. Let's go for execution. Like that you can add 2 float numbers, 3 float numbers, find the biggest of 3 numbers. Like that you can do anything. So as float numbers, you know, I can give 12.5, 12.5 or 2.5. So I want successfully execute, going to execute. So I'm giving value of 2.5, A value, and B value I'm giving 3.2 like that in the runtime. So yeah, successfully executed. So printing answer of addition is equal to 5.7. So like that you can add the float numbers. Let's go for another example for better understanding printf scanf. We see the simple program here where is part of the simple calculator program. Yeah, here a simple program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Is it possible? Yeah, in C program it support. Once you give the A value and B value, after that you can do number of operation, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication also. So same format. Just now I told addition of two numbers. No, in the addition of two numbers we are going to add the subtraction. So just I am giving C is equal to A plus A minus B, and multiplication I am giving C is equal to A multiplication B, A multiplies B. At last C is equal to A by B, A division B, that is for division. So let's go for execute. So simple and easy. So once if you want to perform many variables, more than two variables also supported by C language, but you should be clear with the integer, the format specified integer, float and so on. So I want to give A and B value. After that I want to see the answer of addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. 4 answers I want to get it here. So just execute. Yeah, the program going to execute successfully. So I'm going to enter the value of 10 for A and B value of just giving 2. Now what will happen here? It will print the answer for addition 12 and subtraction 8. Yeah, multiplication 20, at last division 5. So the above program is successfully executed. So like that you can use the printf and scanf. So upcoming sessions we are using the printf scanf and more for with the control statements, biggest of numbers or factorial of a given number and so on. I hope that you understand. If you have any queries or comments, please kindly suggest, communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates.